I didn't start with any money. My first cabin and say, okay, let's say it's scam me shame, scam me the better bundle. And what else? I think that's all. Enemy phone, and then I capital me they started this importation bags. And I trust and so yeah, another thing because Obiato Ade wo no. Won't you run away? Where do you stay? Like I get things like
Hello, I should for more power about Fufu TV. So, Star Hustle, Juma dear, and necessarily bro. We shall be some things that history or two way, any about we share the story. Come fast or starting the business, challenges, benefits, any process nowadays, or forming now the starting business, only about we share. It's the end same no. You will introduce soon after you are starting at the chin como. Hello,
hello,
more power about Fufu TV. So,
Medasi.
okay. This is American, me say. But introduce you on Hakra, actually, I have for no abra, yes, the emergency. Would Dean will be free.
Yeah, from me offer Akosia Lydia. Me free Sweden in the eastern region of Ghana. And I also me a student of UPS, University of Professional Studies, Ewa Madina. May offer public relations management. Yeah, that's
All right. See, what business are you into? Business ben away.
I'm into importation of goods. Yeah.
And so, offer them free China, ever Ghana, ever.
Yes.
All right. It is a business. We didn't motivate you why you say we start a said business.
Okay. Maybe it's now me admission to the university. I was always thinking, say I'm so what am I going to do? So I was on YouTube one day and I saw the Fufu TV channel.
No, okay.
Yes. And I saw say you have uploaded a video and you were teaching how to import goods from China to Ghana. And I was like, okay, let me just watch this video and see say it will be of help. And when I watched it, so I didn't regret. Like, Abuame, that's how come.
Yeah. And see, me say, over chairman, who started this importation business, supporting our this share business, Nancy. Who discussing a share?
I didn't start with any money. My first cabin and share. Okay, let's say it's scam me this share, scam me the better bundle. And what else? I think that's all. Enemy phone, and then I capital. They started this importation business.
Okay, so one first kind share here, they're importing now the share. How did you manage to get your clients out minimum year?
Okay, so with my clients, I started with posting things on my status, and my friends were like, "Hey, Niema, way, are you selling them or not?" Like, yeah, saying. So I told them, "Okay, this a pre-order something, so you have to pay before I can order from China into the country for you." Yeah. I created a group. The group started with just 10 people, and it was surprising. Said that saying they shared the link, and we were about 50 people. So they kept sharing the link. So I told them, okay, when we get to 100, before I'll start posting the items. So people were eager. So they kept sharing the link, and that's how the group grew. And as of now, we are up to 500 and something people, like 500 and something members in the group. And I'm really grateful for the people that helped me start this whole thing.
Yeah. Oh, okay, nice. And I have for said I'll teach you, or child say, or start a business no one fat scabian share say, do here and bundle. And or create WhatsApp group. See, no answer now for a crabby or no more, almost like some share link neither. Amano. By the time now, or realize it, and I just say, I'm on Friday and I join the group, or start it and receive orders. All right, and see, about mini importation business now, I mean, say a processor, from 80% or chairman process now, or first or at the turn name, if it's China.
Oh, first, mess or sip for items as a area. Me share in Pambwane pictures. Then I will now go ahead to look for a supplier. It's many supplier and the price now. If you are supplying the cash and say be a 3 cedis. Na me na bagin they mean to me on a 3 cedis. Nti e bagin ya abo na be 2 cedis. Nti sana me di etonye man. Nti we are na me the pictures no add to me group ni mo and me the best my clients and say, okay, this is what we are buying. Do you want it? It is so much say if this okay, I like it, then they will start paying for it. Until you do MOQ is minimum order quantity. Supply and ebema ahia obetimi ato. If you obetimi ato just 10. Until see you do that 10 now, then people will start paying and I'll buy from the supplier, then it will be shipped to Ghana. Yeah, that's how I do it.
Nti ena sourcing no and I say
No, I think that's the whole process.
the whole process.
Yes.
Nti first one here sourcing and
Yes.
say we can pay image.
Yes.
Nya image na ebi a trendy and na for interested in buying in Ghana. Local market na fi wakope supplier. Yes. Supplier na meet you MOQ. Na put up two group no mo pe no. Na fi dey place it. Nothing.
From sourcing to if anything, bargaining with the price.
Okay.
Then I will just show the pictures to the client. Before we can meet the MOQ, then I go ahead to order. That's it.
Okay. Nti about marketing side na or experience before marketing, maybe to say or business in convenience now first or branding or sell it to people to know you more.
I think it's just the sharing of the link. That's how people won't say first person itimato and wait me receiving any problems and bahon. I think me customers na air marketing mommy because auto adene woman China say opera or catching down from this. Okay, I bought it from Akosia and I liked it, so you too. But I don't think I'm the marketing side. I don't really think say I'm doing something. I'm just sharing links and they are the ones recommending me.
All right, so me person me auto ne money na wie no. A supplier no aye na adwin so be the man be convenience na ya ne man timi for so free China e bedu Ghana.
Okay, you'll be a friend of shipping mark. That's me the name address. And then I'm a debema supplier, but also no, before you can buy from China, you have to get this in a warehouse in China. And I use the fufu imports. And if you want to ship something, you just tell them, say, okay, I want to ship something, and they will give you a shipping mark. And the way I'm called Lydia Offeh, no? So I'm Lydia Offeh, but say they are fufu import, so they will ship it to the warehouse, the fufu warehouse in China for me, and fufu will also ship it back to Ghana, and that's how I receive my goods.
Okay, and I think say honey clear. Me sure say I share for nati side na see kwan we so abit me I get you nema from China to Ghana. Ayana ayama for issues pa o person start me importation, but onim kwan we so obey den obenya nema no a free China to Ghana. Yes, and this importation business now kasan. Meaning say adwuma de o ya unyeska. Daily income and monthly income. Saying na ya unya no many importation business.
And fixed. Like once me boss say I'm getting this. Some days are good, other days too are not good. It depends on items are over shipping. Ebi enfan say impambo bi wo ha ne boy cheap into o shipping na so shipping more obetime nya more sika wo so like as a value no and a share and here until me ni fixed income. But I can say from 500 to 2,000 a month. Yes, it's possible to get something like that if you get valuable items. As in items are a sumbo there, you can get something.
I have faced challenges.
Yes.
I've been saying
impatience on the side of customers. If anything, supplier no if you are on funny man no enko warehouse name time. The third answer if you are meet MOQ, that means I have to cancel that order. Na me say de omusika esa mom back. And I trust and so another thing because obi ato ade wo no. Won't you run away? Where do you stay? Like I get things like that. Obi to me fry FL video call just to see say real like impact. Some people can't put every car obi to attend to this camp person o share baby no this kind of sound. So I say these things are all there.
Yes, and it's a problem when you convince I was solving.
Casa. We just catch and say like I'm still on it. Sometimes I have to go I have to do extra. I have to send them screenshots. Say I've placed the order na come at me turning. And sometimes I have to get some of my old customers to tell them say okay I bought it from here and nothing happened. See that's how I deal with such things.
Okay. See in case say obi per se or such many importation here. Advice ben pandoma impacro.
Yes, it's a very good business. Yes, I would advise everyone to do it because scam and you can even use to buy your personal stuffs because let's say at my age means me come my ho say me patadi me pempambwa no baso and I mean ejuma me go school Into through this now I've been able to buy most of the things that I wear, some of the things that like I need in school. So I think it's a very good business and everyone should try. And
okay, so before I ever quite the next question is no, let's check for more challenges and or can say there be a auto idea, ultimate idea free supplier ho. To you there what idea 10 supplier no or ya aware say what to 10 or wait me ship number 5 and I then abro. Everybody no hwe ya obeka say you nipa no no di wani me koto idea na why the what 5 no say until say we are verify with proof say auto idea 10. And see these are some of the challenges are then with me facing in importation. In case if you are obi bo what on them ma na maybe say happen na just have to be patient with the person. Say we are wearing we get to sort things out. Yes. And see the next question here. Obi say on starting mini importation, but only my idea bia only be obekwa obere. Obi to start here. Say nipa ne ba o kwa obi to me actual.
Yes, makes me actually nipa no. Process ni near won't be makes me actually panic only if you are willing to learn in Kwandia. I'm available for that.
I fufu TV obi share o person o onye dey won starting fanema and free China man. Say nipa ne ba won somewhere. Is there any special deal and a discount to be a with me offer for?
Oh yes. With all fufu subscribers there, you will get a 20% discount on whatever thing you are ordering. 20%. Until you just have to show me a screenshot, say, what subscribing to the channel. Like, you just subscribe and I'll know, say, okay, oh yeah, for follower. Then we just go ahead with ordering your stuffs. Yeah.
All right. Any special advice to people out there on person starting importation business? Who are food to be a person wrong?
With this mini importation, like if you want to start something like this, you have to be very patient because some of the customers, they don't like their words are on the culture. You have to be patient. That's the only thing. I started age say because you are dealing with human beings. Obi wa onim kasa, and I say the before shana so the before shana. You won't get anywhere. So all I'll say is that just be patient and know how to communicate, and that's all. That's the only thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it. Me say, my mom right now they are selling actually viewers, but beyond services are provided. So they be a will be my boss na for what me after name of man.
Obi per se or get it to me. That's through WhatsApp. It's my number 054546980, and as so person who share me in person, then you have to come to the UPSA campus. Yes, now I frame a number, then we take it from there. Or you can also call 02020999624.
All right. Before I say and send money free China bar. Convenience on your first deliver ma on Crawford.
Okay, sinema ne ba me select ebia akosa de ni kwesi de ni ebia kojo de ni prince de ni me wia na ma package me peraba na me da hyehyem nti mo dispatch rider obeye sa ejuma no nti delivery is nationwide baby biara wo bia tamale we bronga hafo anywhere bia obetimi e deliver amawo.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So obaya on ya be share such a great business ideas. Yeah. All right. Since now, Sister Lydia Offeh now in I share how I was starting a business and then kwanya also the life of a man. Nti yes. Program here start out so. Your friend Bernard. Therefore for bye.